Hello again. Today I have a 2014 Nissan Maxima. I have a transmission code and it's kind of like not shifting, drive slowly. And I want to show you what solenoid I'm going to replace very quick. This is the tools that you need: the red shade, the 10mm socket, in a 10mm Allen socket, in a 5mm Allen socket. So it's very easy. What you're going to do is to remove the first of course you're gonna drain the transmission fluid. So you raise the car up and take this let me show you this plug with a 10mm Allen key, and then it's all around 10mm bolt all around the transmission band. I got this bolt off here, and then after you take it off, you come right there next to the filter. You see this solenoid. I already replaced it, but it's very easy. It's before you disconnect the plug, you have a 10mm bolt and a 5mm Allen bolt also. Take these bolts off, and after you take it off, you disconnect the plug, and then you put the new one. Got this part online here. Not sure if this is the part number, SQ. So I already took it off just to make sure when you install it, you install it the right way, like you see in here. This is gonna be inside there latch. That's it. You're gonna put the old band back and add the fluid, clear the code, drive it, and it should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and if you have any question, comment below.